A lot of our clients or people in the marketplace are asking, oh, with such low inventory in real estate, how do I find a home? How do I sell a home with high appreciation? How to find another home? So we're actually going ahead and putting their home on the market and then doing a delayed occupancy. So going ahead and closing, so for instance, you close July 1, and then you'd actually ask for 1 month or 2 months where you'd actually remain in your home as a tenant, and then we help go find something for you. There's a couple reasons this works really well, is you don't have a contingency offer. And as you know, in this market, when you have 500 units available in Northwest Arkansas, you want to go in with your strongest foot forward and no contingency, and that's a win. Also, you have that cash potentially. If you own your own home outright, you can have a cash position on a new offer. So that's winning at a high level for us and our clients, and we're doing that every day. It's just something you need to plan for in the beginning, and then make sure when you're receiving offers and working with other great agents in the marketplace, you're over communicating that. And I'll tell you how we're winning at a high level is communication, communication, communication with clients and other agents, and we seem to be winning at a high level for our clients. So it's a great opportunity to work with us. Go ahead and call us at 616-HOME. Love you guys.